2024 Subaru Solterra, release date, price, specs. The 2024 Subaru Solterra is the company's first fully electric SUV, launched in 2022 for the 2023 model year. That means the currently available 2023 Subaru Solterra is a part of the first-generation Subaru Solterra EV. So it is likely that it will be carried over for the next 2024 model year. The Subaru Solterra is the company's first fully electric SUV which comes with a long electric range of 228 miles on a single full charge. And it is packed with a powerful battery pack of 72.8 kWh battery. And the most important thing is that it comes standard with an all-wheel drive drivetrain. However, as the many electric SUVs, it has also some pros and cons. About that, we will know ahead of this article, and many more important things that you need to know before ordering a Subaru Solterra EV. So if you want to know everything about the new Subaru Solterra electric SUV, then you must read this article till the end. Because in this article we will know everything about the new Solterra EV, like when it will be available to order, how much will the 2024 Subaru EV cost, and much more about it. 2024 Subaru Solterra redesign. See, as we know that the Subaru Solterra is a new fully electric SUV of the company which has been launched first time for the 2023 model year. So it is not likely that the Subaru will redesign it for the 2024 model year. We think that the Subaru will carry over it for the 2024 model year without any major changes. 2024 Subaru Solterra release date. Recently Subaru launched its new Subaru Solterra for the 2023 model year, and now it is available to order for the 2023 model year. So it is likely that the next Subaru Solterra could be available in the fall of 2023 for the 2024 model year without any major changes. So if you don't have time to wait for the 2024 model year, then you should order the currently available 2023 Subaru Solterra EV. Because there is no expectation that the next Subaru Solterra will have any major changes. And neither Subaru has said anything about the next Subaru Solterra EV 2024 yet. 2024 Subaru Solterra pros and cons. Pros. First, fully electric SUV of the Subaru. Standard all-wheel drive drivetrain. More ground clearance. More safety features. Quiet and comfortable. Cons. Charging time could be better. No frunk. 2024 Subaru Solterra price and trims. The 2023 Subaru Solterra is offered in 3 trims: Premium, Limited, and Touring. In which its base trim premium price starts at $44,995 plus destination charge that goes up to $51,995 for its top trim. So we hope that the next Subaru Solterra will follow the same trim structure model for 2024. So on the basis of the 2023 model year Subaru Solterra, it is likely that the next Subaru Solterra price could start at around $46,000, which could go up to $53,000 for its top trims. However, here we have given its estimated price on the basis of the 2023 model. Trims price, EST. Premium $46,000. Limited $49,500. Touring $53,000. 2024 Subaru Solterra interior. The interior of the 2024 Solterra EV could be the same as the 2023 model year. And its 2023 Subaru Solterra interior is more luxurious with enough interior space for its front and rear passengers. And as well as it comes with the latest safety and infotainment system by which driver can easily control it without any trouble. For example, the Subaru Solterra EV comes with a larger modern touchscreen infotainment system that is set to on the center of the front dashboard, by which driver and passenger can enjoy its infotainment and multimedia system. And also a large high-mounted gauge cluster has been given to view the status of the SUV's speed, battery charging level, and much more important information. As well as its interior is built with high-quality and soft-touch materials by which you will feel good when you seat inside it. As you can view its interior image above, we can see that its front row seats have enough legroom space. And also its rear seats have. By which anyone can easily seat inside its rear seats without any trouble. As well as if you choose its top trim, then you will also get some amazing features like a panoramic glass sunroof, heated and ventilated front seats, 10-way power adjustable front seats, and many more such features. And if we talk about its cargo space, then also you get cargo space for your bags and suitcases. For example, you will get a cargo space of 23.8 cubic feet when the rear seats are up. And if you need more cargo space, then you can fold its rear seats, and after folding its rear seats you will have a more cargo space of 63.5 cubic feet. So overall the interior of the new Subaru Solterra is good. 2024 Subaru Solterra motor, power, performance. The Subaru Solterra is powered by a StarDrive all-electric drivetrain with 2 electric motors, that generates a total power output of 215 HP and 249 lb-ft of torque. And it comes standard with an all-wheel drive drivetrain. The way in which power is used can vary depending on the selected drive mode. There are 4 drive modes available: Eco, Normal, Power, and X mode. X mode is designed to provide additional traction in challenging situations, such as slippery conditions or uneven terrain, by regulating power delivery to each wheel independently. It gives good performance, and also it has more ground clearance. However, according to reports, its acceleration could be better, because some of its rivals has good acceleration and driving performance. For example, it could go 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.5 seconds, whereas its top rival Nissan Ariya EV could go the same in just only less than 5.0 seconds. 2024 Subaru Solterra range, battery, charging time. The new Subaru Solterra is packed with a powerful 72.8 kWh battery that is capable to give a long electric range of over 222 to 228 miles on a single full charge. And also Subaru has claimed that it will also support the DC fast charging system. With the help of a 100 kW DC fast charger, it can be charged to 80% in 56 minutes, which is not excellent according to its rivals but overall good. 2024 Subaru Solterra safety features. The new Subaru Solterra comes with a host of standard safety features. First of all, it comes standard with dynamic radar cruise control, pre-collision system, pre-collision braking, lane departure alert and prevention, lane tracing assist, and many more standard features that all are given below in the list. Blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert. Automatic high beam. Parking support brake. Vehicle stability control. 4-wheel anti-lock braking system. Brake assist. Tire pressure monitoring system. Daytime running lights. Rear vision camera. The advanced frontal airbag system. Side curtain airbags. Seat-mounted front side airbags. Driver and front passenger knee airbags. Rear child safety locks. Keyless entry system. 2024 Subaru Solterra infotainment and connectivity features. The Solterra offers an infotainment system with a 12.3-inch touchscreen placed at the center of the dashboard. All models come equipped with standard features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless phone charger. The system also includes a smartphone app that allows users to remotely manage the HVAC system, precondition the cabin, and lock and unlock the doors, among other functions. Additionally, we anticipate that the vehicle will come with built-in navigation and the possibility of an improved sound system option. 2024 Subaru Solterra specs. Trim Premium. Model 2024. Body type SUV. Seating capacity 5. Engine all-electric. Power 215 HP. Torque 249 lb-ft. Transmission N/A. Drivetrain AWD. 0 to 60 miles per hour time 6.5 seconds. Range 228 miles. Battery capacity 72.8 kWh. 2023 Subaru Solterra EV specifications. 2024 Subaru Solterra EV dimensions. Length 184.6 inches. Width 73.2 inches. Height 65.0 inches. Wheelbase 112.2 inches. Ground clearance 8.3 inches. Curb weight, max, 4,505 pounds. 2023 Subaru Solterra exterior dimensions. Subaru Solterra interior dimensions. Headroom, front/rear, 38.8/38.0 inches. Legroom, front/rear, 42.1/35.3 inches. Shoulder room, front/rear, 57.8/56.0 inches. Hip room, front/rear, N/A. Passenger volume 95.7 cu-foot. Cargo volume 23.8 cu-foot. 2023 Subaru Solterra interior dimensions. Conclusion. In this article, we have known about the new Subaru Solterra EV. Like the 2024 Subaru Solterra redesign, release date, pros and cons, price and trims, interior, motor, power, performance, range, battery, charging time, safety features, infotainment and connectivity features, specs, dimensions, and other important information. We hope this article will be helpful for you. If yes, then must share it with your friends and family. Thank you.